Let's start with Burger King's chocolate Whopper. So the chocolate Whopper featured a chocolate cake bun, a char-grilled chocolate patty topped with raspberry sauce, white chocolate rings, and candied blood oranges. That sounds disgusting.
Can I say, though, it looks like it would be a great dessert.
You know what? I'm not going to lie. I'm down with it.
I would eat it.
Me too.
Wait,
you're not a fan, Elisa?
Well, I don't like chocolate cake, so you start right there. I know. But
wait a second.
Starting there, I can't do
that. Should have been the lead.
Yeah.
Wait a second.
Who doesn't
you don't
like chocolate cake?
I don't like chocolate cake, no.
Why?
I don't know, but I love chocolate candy. So Buck's yelling from the back in support of me that he doesn't like chocolate cake
Really?
either. I like chocolate candy. The cake is like weird, but I do like brownies.
That doesn't make any sense.
Don't try to make sense of it.
We need to have a long talk about this later on.